I realized my vision was getting blurry, both eyes. Eventually went to get my eyes looked at. It came to be that there was some type of cornea disease developing, possible disease, and then later came out to be it was keratoconus. After that, I just wanted to get my vision improved. I got a procedure done on my right eye, what was called Intacs. The Intacs basically improved my vision, but the quality was not there. A lot of halos, a lot of glare, especially if there was some type of light. It almost appeared like I would be fixated on that light source. And so I did a lot of research, especially on keratoconus. I looked at a lot of articles, did a lot of Google searches. I looked at different articles regarding types of procedures that have been done for keratoconus. Most significantly, I've learned that there was not so much something that could definitely improve the quality per se to getting back to a normal cornea. There was cross-linking that I learned about, and I was looking at doctors from the East Coast, the West Coast, but I just found like there was almost what appeared to be a temporary fix. And so I came across Dr. Motwani here on YouTube. I looked several of his videos, spent countless hours, nighttime, just looking at all the procedures he has done, the reviews, the comments, and I just took a leap of faith. So I contacted the office here, very professional, respectful. We got situated on just coming in for a diagnosis, to which I did, and came to find out that Intact did improve the vision of my right eye. However, the quality and the vision was not at all what I wanted it to be. So continued on with the process. I had the Intacs removed. Immediately after the Intact being removed, vision was not the best. Not the best at all whatsoever. I was actually pretty nervous, scared. I thought I did a mistake, and I just continued praying, and I just continued with trusting the process. So we went on with the procedure. We got a procedure done in both of my eyes, and as I'm sitting here, I have drastically improved. It is night and day. The glares have disappeared, the haziness has disappeared, and I couldn't be happier. So yes.